Hello guys, welcome once again to Sparky Media. In this video tutorial, we are going to be talking about paid work withdrawal. How can one withdraw from paid work platform or paid work app? In this video tutorial, I am going to be sharing with you guys and showing you guys step by step on how you can make your withdrawal from paid work. Alright, but before proceed with this video guys, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, or you're hearing my voice for the first time, my name is Paki, and what I do on this my channel is all about business. I share business tips, money making ideas on daily basis on this my channel. For you not to miss out any of my latest update, all you need to do is to hit on that subscribe button shown on the screen and then turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I release new videos like this. Then at the end of this video, if you're not in any of my WhatsApp group, survey team group, I'll be leaving my WhatsApp group link in the comment section of this video. You can also use it to join us there for more business tips, more money making ideas on daily basis. Okay. But before I proceed with this video, I would love to lay a clear disclaimer. This video is meant for educational and informational purpose only and not a financial advice. As a result, may vary based on how you use paid work platform. This video does not guarantee you any result. So therefore, you are advised to make your own research before using paid work platform. So I always tell people to make research before using any platform. Okay, so this video is just a tutorial video. It is for education only. Okay, so that's it. So before I proceed to show you guys step by step on how to place your withdrawal on paid work, I will briefly talk about what paid work is all about for the purpose of those, or for the sake of those hearing about paid work for the first time. Paid work is an online survey paid survey platform where anyone can take surveys from for either for education, either for reward, and also complete other tasks, play games, watch videos, either for reward, either for entertainment. So it depends on the reason you are using any of the survey platform. So always know the reason you are using any survey platform. I always tell my viewers this. Okay, so that is what this platform is basically all about. Now, if you are using it for reward purposes, after you have accumulated your reward, how do you withdraw them? That is the question I often get from people. And people are also asking me, is there any withdrawal proof from this platform? Well, yes, there is a lot of withdrawal proof. People are doing it, and according to them and their own information and their own claim that they have been paid severally from the platform. So that's the reason why I always tell people that whenever you come to survey platforms serve different purposes, and you should always know the reason you are using them. All right, so now talking about the withdrawal, how can we withdraw? There are two methods by which one can withdraw on this platform. They have the bank transfer and they still have the PayPal. Now to do that, you can see the option of billing. Click on billings. So when you click on billings, it is going to bring you to this place. Now if you have not earned anything yet, they will ask you that they will tell you that you have not earned, that you should go to M page to either take survey, watch video, play games, or the rest of them according to the platform. Then you can see the option of earn. So the moment you have the minimum of £15 or $15 or dollar, depending on the currency you are using. If you are in UK, or you are using UK currency, or you are using the dollar currency, then it will specify the minimum amount there. Then you will see the option of add payment method. Then come to that place and tap on it. Tap on add payment method. If it is bank transfer, you select bank transfer. Then you can see the option they ask you for the whole thing. Then you can see PayPal. Then you enter your PayPal, this thing, the last name, the name from your email, and then the rest of them. Then confirm, and then you add. So that is how to add it. Now, after I have finished adding these details, what happens next? You see the option of withdraw. Then you click on withdraw button. So when you click on withdraw button, the withdrawal will be sent to your preferred method, your preferred payment method, if it is PayPal or bank transfer. So that is how to place your withdrawal correctly without mistakes on this platform known as paid survey platforms. And now, is it legit or scam? Well, as the time I was making this video, no one has reportedly been scammed by paid survey platform, and for that reason, by paid work platform, for that reason, we cannot tag paid work is a scam platform. So as the time I was making this video, I have seen a lot of positive reviews and my own experiences with survey platforms. A lot of people have been sharing their own testimony, and me personally, I have also earned from survey sites. All right, and I tell people that whenever you come to survey, you should always take note that the survey is not a get rich quick scheme. It is not a get rich quick scheme. It is something that when you are sharing your opinion, giving your ideas, you might earn a little reward. And that's the reason why I tell people to always get yourself a mentor, especially those who are using it for side hustling purposes. Get yourself a mentor, somebody who are already into it, so that they can mentor you and put you through, so that you know the necessary thing. Because people usually face screen out and screen out and disqualification from survey. But when you meet with those guys who are into it, who already knows how it works, function, that's if you're using it for hustling. If you're using it for entertainment, those ones may not matter to you. But if you're using it for hustling purposes, make sure to get yourself a mentor, so that they can put you through and watch videos, a lot of things, so that you can learn more. All right, then if you're not in any of my survey team group or WhatsApp group, I'll be leaving my group link in the comment section of this video. You can also use it to join us there for more survey tips, more money making ideas, business updates on daily basis. So that's what I do there in my group basically. All right, the group link is in the comment section of this video. And then don't forget, there is love in sharing. A lot of people have been making research, asking endless question: is this platform legit and how can they withdraw? So this video will really help a lot of people. So this is how to withdraw from Paidwork platform, and may God bless you as you share this video. If you have another question, you can also comment below. And what are your own personal experiences with Paidwork platform? You can also share your own personal experiences in the comment section of this video below. Thank you. I remain Sparky.